Tokenization explained. What is tokenization? Imagine you own a piece of real estate worth $1 million. Traditionally, buying or selling that property takes weeks, lawyers, and a lot of paperwork. Tokenization changes that. It converts ownership of a real-world asset, like that property, into a digital token that lives on a blockchain. Think of a token as a digital certificate of ownership. It's secure, programmable, and can be transferred anywhere in the world in seconds. Stablecoins versus tokenization. Now, you may have heard the word stablecoin. A stablecoin is actually a type of tokenization. Specifically, it's a tokenized dollar. One token equals $1. Always. It's the simplest form, taking something familiar, cash, and putting it on a blockchain. But tokenization goes much further. You can tokenize a treasury bond, a share of stock, a piece of real estate, even gold. Stablecoins are just the starting point. The infrastructure, how blockchains actually work. To understand why tokenization is so powerful, you need to understand what kind of blockchain it runs on. Not all blockchains are the same. Bitcoin, for example, is essentially a ledger. It records who owns what. It's intentionally simple. But a blockchain like Ethereum is something fundamentally different. It's a programmable ledger. It can run what are called smart contracts, self-executing rules written directly into the asset itself. Think about what that means. A tokenized bond can automatically pay interest to every holder the moment it's due. No bank required. A tokenized piece of real estate has its transfer restrictions enforced automatically. No delays, no manual checks. A loan backed by tokenized collateral can liquidate itself if the value drops. No call to a bank or loan servicer required. The rules travel with the asset, everywhere it goes, forever. This is the infrastructure story. It's why the right analogy isn't just digital ownership, it's programmable ownership. And it's why Ethereum hosts over 60% of all tokenized assets in the world today. Bitcoin records, Ethereum acts, real-world examples. Here's what this looks like in the real world. BlackRock, the world's largest investment firm, has already launched a tokenized fund on the blockchain. US Treasury bonds are being tokenized, so anyone with a smartphone can own a fraction of government debt and earn yield. Real estate platforms let people invest in a property for as little as $50. These aren't future ideas, they're happening right now, in 2026. Why it matters now. So why is everyone talking about this now? Because the US government just caught up. In 2025, Congress passed the Genius Act, creating the first federal rules for stablecoins. The Clarity Act is close behind, defining how all digital assets are regulated. For the first time, banks, investors, and everyday people have a clear legal framework to work within. Tokenization is moving from experiment to mainstream, and it's reshaping how ownership itself works. In short, tokenization. It's not about cryptocurrency speculation, it's about making ownership of real things faster, cheaper, and available to everyone.